I'm Brian Davis with Davis Paint Collision. Today I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to do after storm damage. Step 1. Contact Davis Paint Collision for your verbal consult about your storm damage and allow Davis Paint Collision to walk you through the process.
The car alarms are going off. God, it was a good idea to move your car inside.
Step 2. Turn in your claim to your insurance company. At this point, you have determined how to properly report and file the claim with your insurance company. Step 3.
Schedule an appointment.
At this point, you're ready to schedule your repair and make all your arrangements with Davis Paint Collision. Step 4. Schedule your rental car.
Hey, excuse me, I need to rent a car.
Davis Paint Collision will assist you in any options on renting a car.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
Step 5. Drop off and repair process. Drop off your car and we'll do the rest. We'll update you with text messages until your car's ready to come home.